forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs won. Mamelodi Sundowns won. I'm joined by Brother Mutia.
Steve.
Yeah, Mr. Mda.
Today is a Saturday. 50 hours, Steve. Saturday, we're not working. We chillax. Channel for us.
Yeah. Team-man. Do justice, please.
Yeah.
Do justice, please.
It's only band.
Yeah.
Team-man, it's only band.
Cat guy.
Steve, let's go to the game.
Steve,
let's go to the game.
Yeah.
Firstly, let me thank the JMP and the police for making everyone smoothly to arrive at the stadium.
Yes.
So also let me thank Mamelodi Sundowns for bringing 16 Kumbis to come to the Calabash. 16 Kumbis.
Yeah.
They were done. They were never too fun. There is no Southern fan here. Nothing. They're gone already. They're home already.
I didn't see the house.
No moon too. Nothing. Sunday supporters, please, man, attend the games. If the team's going away, go with the team to support the team.
Don't stay in Atteridgeville.
Don't stay at Atteridgeville drinking alcohol. Marabasta. That's why now we promote that Sundown. They must go back to Mamelodi inside the location.
HMP.
Because Atteridgeville, when you go there at Atteridgeville,
it's empty.
people they're drinking next door to the stadium.
Playing chess.
Sundown is playing. So those team guys, respect Sundown. Simple. Let me also thank Kaizer Chiefs. Let me also thank Kaizer Chiefs management, especially Bobby Mutau.
For?
When you see me always in the VIP, it's because of Bobby Mutau.
Okay.
You see this thing?
Yes.
It's presidential suit. Kaizer Chiefs. No matter, yes, that guy, he look after me.
Yeah.
And he knows very well that I'm a Buccaneer.
Yeah.
He said, when you come to Kaizer Chiefs games, don't wear any part of the t-shirt.
Yeah.
But Steve, I said, Bobby, I understand what you're saying.
Yes.
I can't wear t-shirt, but I wear the badge.
Yeah.
The badge always must be there.
Yes.
To show my identity, where I'm coming from.
Yes.
I'm coming from here.
Yes, Mr.
So tomorrow I'm going to Durban.
Yes, Mr.
My flight is 10 to 11.
Yes, Mr.
12 o'clock,
Yes.
I'll be at Durban.
Yes, Mr.
Watching Terrace. 9 o'clock, I'm coming back.
Yes.
I'll be here.
Yeah.
I'm supporting my team.
Yes.
So let's go to the game.
Yes, Mr.
Kaizer Chiefs, they blew their chances to lead Sundown.
Yeah, they did.
This is the weakest Sundown
Ever.
There's no Sundown is an ordinary team. Ordinary team. When there's no Tibo Mukwena in the middle of the park. They were struggling today, yes, Tibo.
They were weak.
So Kaizer Chiefs, Brennan Peterson, why are you going, Peterson? When you go out, please remain in the post.
Yes. I'll cost the Chiefs.
And the boy that score, the shortest boy in the field.
Cassius Malu.
First touch, goal.
Munna. They say his eyes was closed when the ball hit.
And Steve, each and every game, Steve, we spoke here on a muffin way too. That Sundown at the moment, their goalkeeper, Ron Williams, he forgot the password of his laptop. Because each and every game, he conceded. He conceded, Ron Williams. He forgot his password. Yeah, laptop. That's why. You see. So Steve, I wish I can get Sundown tomorrow. In the M10 final. Because it's not Sundown that we know. At the moment, they are on the low. But well done to Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know what happened to Kaizer Chiefs. Tuesday they play very well. Where's Velebai? Where is Mfune Villakas? They're sitting on the bench. The player that they can win them the game, they're sitting on the bench.
Who can you just let them, man?
Sibo, he scored a beautiful goal during the week. I don't know what happened. On the also Sibo, so Sibo before Nivala, but well done to the Chiefs because at the moment they've got 7 points on 3 games. So Sibo, before I wrap up, tomorrow Sibo, me I'm going to Durban. I'm sure we'll also will meet them there at Durban. So Sibo, what I want to say to the all football lovers, for all parents, fans. Let's be patient. Mbutuma is a young boy. Let's be patient, Tibo. As Tibo, I don't believe on this instant food. Like Mama noodles. The boy, he will come all right. So let's give him a chance. Please, guys, don't attack the boy. Because we don't want to see another Jaden Adams going. You see, Tibo, the more you do on social media, guys, that boy is a human being. He's a human being. We don't want to see another Jaden Adams. We don't want to lose. That boy is still young. We want to support the boy. Stivo, in football, there's a win, lose, and draw. So let's accept any result. You see, Perez, he can win all the games. You can't win all the games. So if players miss, let's support him. Don't attack the player in the social media too much, Stivo. That boy is a human being, like me and you. So if you attack him on the social media, why you guys you don't attack your wife if you arrive at home and your wife doesn't want to sleep with you? Why don't you attack your wife? Attack your wife at home, or attack our children when our children is failed at school. We don't attack our children. We give them courage. See, children. One of my children in the first time is not doing well. I encourage him to do well. Let's do the same. You see, people that come in here, they attack. Hold on. Steve. Well done to both of team. Any team can win today, but the draw is a true reflection of the game. Steve, because this is their home ground. Tomorrow I'm going to Durban. I will speak more to Durban. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Mdawa. Thank you.